Ooh, it's hot. I need to take my own advice. Nobody wants to roast in their RV when you're on summer vacation. There are a handful of tried and true tips and tricks to keep yourself cool. Let's run through that list.
First on the list, and likely the most impactful, would be parking in the shade. We found by parking in the shade, you can drop the interior temperature of your RV 10 or more degrees. Up next is elastomeric paint. If your RV did not include it, this is a great addition as it reflects the sun rays and can keep your roof cool. Up next is fairly simple. Just pull out the awnings facing towards the sun. Fourth on the list is heat reflective window treatments. Windows are a huge source of allowing heat inside your RV. Let's get it blocked. Up next is covering your roof vents. While the surface area is not as large as windows, it still allows the sun through. Sixth on the list is to make sure you're maintaining your air conditioner by cleaning the filter according to the schedule. Seventh on the list is a huge one. Don't cook with an open flame, especially during the hottest parts of the day. This can heat your rig up quick. Eighth and finally, the very best way to avoid the heat is just plan ahead and go where it's nice and cool.
And now, just like our middle school yearbook said, you get to keep cool. Hope you found these tips helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, share with friends and family that could use the help and advice on staying cool in their RV this summer. See you next time.